I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the iPhone XS Max camera. To begin, simply open the camera app from your home screen or lock screen. You can quickly capture a photo by tapping the large circular shutter button. For closer shots, pinch the screen to zoom, or utilize the 2x optical zoom for crisp details. Remember to tap your subject on the screen to ensure proper focus and exposure, making your photos look professional and vibrant. Next, let's master portrait mode, a fantastic feature for stunning photos with a blurred background. Simply swipe to select portrait mode. For the best effect, ensure your subject is positioned between 2 and 8 feet from the camera. After capturing the shot, you can fine-tune the background blur using the depth control slider in the Photos app. Don't forget to explore the 5 different portrait lighting effects to add a professional touch to your portraits. The iPhone XS Max features Smart HDR, which automatically captures multiple exposures to ensure balanced lighting in challenging scenes, from bright skies to deep shadows. For more control, dive into the Settings app to enable the grid for better composition, or set a timer for group shots. You can also use live photos to capture a 3-second moment around your picture. For manual exposure, tap and hold, then drag the sun icon up or down. Finally, let's explore video recording. The iPhone XS Max allows you to capture stunning videos in 4K resolution at up to 60 frames per second, ensuring incredible detail. Benefit from cinematic video stabilization, which keeps your footage smooth and steady, even when you're on the move. For dramatic effects, record slow-motion videos at 240 frames per second in 1080p. You can also create captivating time-lapse videos to condense longer events into short, dynamic clips.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.